Ooh, I was thinking about cutting my hair because you can't tell I'm not there. My diamonds, they coming in clear. They coming in new chandelier. I was thinking about cutting my hair because you can't tell I'm not there. My diamonds, they came in clear. I bust down a new chandelier. I put 50K on my ear, and now a nigga cannot hear. I was thinking about cutting my hair because you can't tell I'm not there. I bust down a chandelier, and now they see me everywhere. Put 50,000 on ear, and now a young nigga can't hear. Yeah. I was thinking about cutting my hair, cause they can't tell I'm not there. Yeah. Put 50,000 on my ear, it look just like a chandelier. Yeah. Ooh. I was thinking about cutting my hair, cause they can't tell I'm not there. Yeah. I put 50,000 in my ear, it looking like a chandelier. Yeah. Solitaires in my ear. My diamonds coming crystal clear. Yeah. I'm putting that serve in the mirror. I'm putting on the serve in the mirror. Yeah. I was thinking about cutting my hair because they can't tell I'm not there. Yeah. This big Draco. Y'all know the fuck going on. Ricky Morty, nigga. Y'all know what the fuck going on. Big SLE. Let me see, man. I'm finna do a giveaway. Oh, wait. I ain't gonna do that. That's how one of them... I'm about to show y'all the box. I can't show the box, nigga. The address might slip out. Hold on, let me flip the camera. They was thinking about my hair. They can't tell I'm not there. All right, who want one? Who want one, goddammit? Who want one? I got boxes full. Who need it? Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. Yeah, my fault. I had to take that call. Can y'all hear me? Can y'all hear me? How long was my live froze? I went on the phone for like 5 seconds. Lil Yachty just called my phone, y'all. He just paused my live.
I'm saying I couldn't have one thing.
What happened?
I couldn't be the first to do the video on the iPhone, bro.
Lil Yachty, what you want me to do is no disrespect. You know you my little brother. It's no disrespect. But I was the first rapper to shoot a music video on the iPhone.
That's crazy. You know, so crazy. I was like, I know I got him on this one.
You ain't got me on that one. I done did it all. It ain't too much I ain't did, Bo. I done did a lot. I done did a lot.
That's crazy. I was like, I ain't gonna lie, when I seen that, I said, nah, he capping. I said, I ain't ready. Then I watched the video. I said, he ain't capping.
No capping, man. There's no caps, man. Come on now. You know I'm not going to speak on it unless I really did it. Now, I'm not finna troll you now.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
But you know that.
What you on?
Oh, shit. Cool. What you got going?
Man, I'm working on this album, man.
You in album mode?
I'm starting it up. These like my first few days getting into it.
What we doing? Lil Boat 3?
Nah, I can't give too much, but I'm on some other shit right now.
Okay. Well, you know, Draco is always here. Just don't leave me off like Kanye now.
Now, come on, we twins. What you talking about?
Yeah, keep my shit on there now. It's Big Draco now.
Nah, that song. Say that then. Man, do your thing, brother.
All right, brother. You know what it is. Love.
Love.
Big Draco, man. I know what's going on. Now, shout out to my brother Boat, though. Like I told y'all, it was never no disrespect. You feel me? I was just keeping it G. Letting them know. Who was the first rapper to shoot the music video on the iPhone? I was thinking about cutting my hair because they can't tell I'm not there. I done bust down the chandelier. Put the diamonds in my ear. Y'all know that. Big Draco, man. Y'all know what the fuck going on, man. Tap in. Yachty say he in album mode. He make me want to get in album mode. I ain't gonna cap. I'm in single mode. I'm in dropping single after single after. You feel me? I ain't really. I'm in single mode, but the album gonna come. I was thinking 2022. I might push it up. Oh, dang. Where y'all at? Everybody take that city. Fuck y'all at, man. Y'all know what's going, man. The tower, not the smile. You locked dog from don't be a man. Oh, locked dog. Who the fuck? You talking about minutes? What do you say? Gotta be talking about minutes to society. I'm gang. Y'all know what's going on, man. Big Draco, man. We got 2 shows left for the Millennium Tour. St. Louis, Memphis. Get y'all tickets. Ticketmaster.com. Soulja Boy. After that is over with. Who y'all want me to go on tour with next? I'm finna do my own tour. Soulja Boy and Friends tour. Big Draco and Friends tour. Y'all gotta let me know what rappers y'all want me to bring out on my tour. You know what I'm saying? Nah, for real. All right, man. Big Draco, we in the studio. The first to do it all. Ooh.